Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Lifestyle again, and welcome back to my channel again. So yeah, today's video it's another unboxing and a review with this double microphones wireless karaoke speaker. Since I myself as a Filipino here in California, since I love, Filipinos are known to be, love singing, and so I am, and so do I. So yeah, and I love singing, although it's not one of my greatest talent, but I can sing as well. So yeah, um, stay with me and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this wireless karaoke speakers. So, and it has two microphones. Okay, so what a deal. So stay with me and bear with me. We're gonna unboxing this together. So yeah, let's do it now. Let's keep the ball rolling and let's open this box. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as usual, I'm doing great as well. So this is it. There you go. And so it has two microphones, and yeah, and so this is called wireless karaoke speaker. So it has manual right here, and here. So let me get another this one. To make it higher. So yeah, we're here in my legs. So I choose red and black color, or I think this is red. Yeah, red. So they have also different kind. They have I think there are 6 different kind of color. They have white, yellow, pink, and black, and green as well. So you can choose the color that you want whenever, which color do you want. Do you want white, or me, I choose red. So this is the red color, and it matches the electric guitar of my other half, who is watching right now with me as my audience. So yeah, so this wireless karaoke speaker with two microphones, as you can see, it has two microphones. There you go. So it has exceptional sound quality. So you may enjoy the beautiful and dynamic sound from the powerful speakers for a truly immersive listening experience. And its built-in DSP chips helps the speaker to fit in the different cases. Cool. So one thing good about with this Bluetooth wireless karaoke speaker, it has double wireless microphones. Like I said earlier, it has two double wireless microphones, so you can do, like do it singing, or if this one first microphone is low bat, you can use the other one. Why not? So two wireless microphones with rechargeable battery, noise reduction, and voice enhancement. So yeah, as you can see here it has on and on a power button. You can on and off, and then this one right here is for the microphone. You can just long press this one to turn on the microphone, and it has volume and the tone and the reverse and echo and so on. There you go. So yeah, it has multiple inputs. The speaker supports wireless input as well, USB drive, MicroSD card or aux input, there always a left to the left music start. So it has also powerful battery. The speaker and the microphones all contain a high capacity rechargeable battery, which can provide you a non-stop music playing and singing at the same time. Cool. So yeah, I am so excited to use this, for my recreational when I'm bored, start to have my singing career. So yeah, this is pretty cool stuff, and it's not that expensive. It's very affordable, so don't you worry, guys. I'm gonna put on my description the link on my description for you. If you are interested, you can place your order or get one piece of this and start your singing and playing some music, and then voila. So yeah, and what else should I? So yeah, let's have the manual. And I still have 7 minutes more to go. 6 minutes. So it has the parts of this control of the speaker. It has power and pause, previous track, volume, change tone, echo, effect, mode, and next track and volume. And you can have the reverse effect and also the vocal cut. So right here you can have the read the manual in English. It says in English right here, and at the back it says Chinese, and I can't even read, so I can only understand English since it's universal language. So yeah, just read the manual right here. It's easy. It has the power parts and controls with this karaoke speaker, Bluetooth karaoke speaker. So it has right here a USB charge where you can charge. So it has it has a cord to charge. It's inside here. So, see, this is the cord that you can charge. Yeah, this one. And so it has here how to use Sing by Bluetooth. Just turn on the speaker, press and hold the power button to turn on the speaker, and the BT indicator will start flashing. So once you turn on, it's turned it has red and blue color. And the Bluetooth connection, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphones and the Bluetooth settings and find the device name YOSO speaker. So yeah, and pair. The speaker will make tone and pairing complete, and BT indicator will be continually on. So turn on the microphone, press hold the power, it's right here, and the button of the microphone. The microphone will be connected to the speaker automatically, and corresponding indicator on the speaker will be on. And for adjust the sound, you can adjust the sound wherever you want and play the music. So yeah, and take note that once you pair the speaker with your smartphone or your iPhone or any kind of phone by Bluetooth, they will pair automatically when the next time you use. So the Bluetooth can be disconnected and the Bluetooth sitting on your phone. So here you go. And how to charge is easy. When the battery is low, the device will shut it down automatically. So connect to a DC 5V charger and to the charging connector to the charge speaker or the microphone. So the charge, and it will fully charge. Will turn red when it's fully charged. Simple. So the parameters of this, it says frequency range 20 kilopence or 20 kilo. I don't know how to read this unit. It's right here. So it has here. So it's very easy, and I am excited to because a friend of mine already purchased, and I was, I feeling like it, and it's fun. So that's why, I have this one, and it's right here in my hand, and I'm excited. So yeah, and I think I say it all, and yeah, yeah. So that's it, and so yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys. I think I'm all done with this wireless karaoke speaker with 2 wireless microphones. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. And once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.